Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip on US 11 northbound in Luzerne County, Pennsylvania. We're in the Scranton-Wilkes-Barre metropolitan area and driving through a string of boroughs one after the other. We begin at mile 186.8 as we enter the borough of Exeter. The name Exeter comes from the ancient city of Exeter in Devon, England. Many places in Canada and the United States have been named Exeter as well. The area originally thrived as a fertile agricultural region and was once the central land of the Susquehannock people. In the 19th and 20th centuries, logging and coal mining were major activities here. Exeter became an official borough in 1884. According to the 2020 census, the population of Exeter is 5,513. US 11 here is locally named Wyoming Avenue. Here, US 11, along with Wyoming Avenue, bears left, and we enter the borough of West Pittston. We're deep into a region known as Greater Pittston, which is part of the Wyoming Valley region, also known as the Scranton-Wilkes-Barre metropolitan area. Early manufacturing in the town centered around mine screens, glass, crackers, and many other products. West Pittston made national news in September of 2011 when flooding from Tropical Storm Lee left much of the area underwater. Earlier, in June 1972, Hurricane Agnes caused major flooding in and around the Greater Pittston area. From 1974 to 1989, the home of Jack and Janet Smurl in West Pittston was reportedly haunted by ghosts, which inspired the 1991 movie The Haunted. West Pittston hosts an annual Cherry Blossom Festival featuring bands, food, and a parade. The parade includes the Wyoming Area Marching Band, Little League teams, Boy Scout troops, and local emergency services. The festival also has musical concerts, skit shows, and a Miss Cherry Blossom contest. Here, after 123 miles driving the banks of the Susquehanna River, we cross over to the east side via the Fort Jenkins Bridge, also named in honor of Corporal Dale J. Cridlow, who was killed in action in Afghanistan in 2010. The bridge opened in 1926, along with the now closed and slightly older Water Street Bridge just downriver, is slated for replacement in the next few years. As we reach the east bank, we enter the city of Pittston with a population of 7,591 as of the 2020 census. Here, US 11 temporarily turns back downriver along the east bank of the Susquehanna on North Main Street and then Kennedy Boulevard. We bid our final farewell to the Susquehanna River as we make a left turn onto William Street. We turn left onto North Township Boulevard. As we go forward over the course of the next couple of miles, we'll be passing through edges and corners of Hughestown and DuPont. We conclude today's drive at mile 191. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.